Next up is video marketing. Now, it's no coincidence that YouTube is one of the most visited sites in the world. As a content creator, you get paid for allowing advertisers to promote their products or services on your video. Here's how it works. You create videos on a particular topic and submit the video to video sharing sites. Let's take YouTube for example. The search engines, including YouTube, will then notice your videos and list them in the results page. This in turn will bring traffic to your videos. There are three main ways you'll profit. Firstly, advertisers will want to show their video ad within your video, where you'll get paid for the number of impressions or views you provide. Secondly, you can promote affiliate offers, CPA offers, and product endorsements directly in your video and in the description box. And lastly, you can promote your own website to build an email list and sell your products directly. The cost is in the time and the effort you put into creating your videos. Here's why it works so well. It requires basic video editing skills and equipment, so you can get started with just a webcam or a smartphone. It's the ideal platform if you want to become a social influencer and go viral. However, it does require you to be extroverted and not camera shy. Again, there's no transaction process and the payout is automated. There are no complicated business systems to learn or understand. Again, great if you're not a techie person. However, you need to provide some form of value in your videos. You can create videos that are entertaining, informative, or educational. Or you can report the news and events, express personal views, create top 10 lists, and so on. It does require a lot of time and dedication to grow your channel, as videos take longer to create than an article, and generally take months, even years, to get things going. On the plus side, you have more content to work with, as you can embed your videos into your blog with articles to generate more revenue. Your videos can be submitted to multiple sites for even more traffic, including YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, and Dailymotion. And you can place your own links within the video or description box to direct traffic to your website or affiliate offer. Therefore, the difficulty level is easy to medium. It requires basic video creation skills, requires a lot of time, energy, and consistency, but you can build a massive following and the payoff is huge. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, then grab your free online starter pack from the link below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.